Hello and welcome back to Young Suns TV, sponsored by Balance Meal Prep. Today the Suns are back at the CMG Systems Stadium as they host Clyde. Winner Suns! Right guys, I'm here with Ryan, McGeever and Morgyn. Neil, how's doing lads?
Oh, not bad, mate.
Right, good. Right, okay, I'm just going to do a quick interview, let's get into it. So, this season, what do you think the team can achieve?
Just, for me personally, I think you just need to take a game at a time. I think every team in this league's strong. I've played in this league for a while, and yeah, MD can beat MD, so you can't go into a game thinking, we should win.
Yeah.
It's good to obviously be confident, and I think we have been playing well and stuff like that, so I think, especially for us, I just think it's a game at a time, and then just see where it takes us.
I just what the big man said, just see where it takes us. I think, as he touched on, every team would fancy themselves against each other in this league, so it's going to be really tight. So obviously for the season you'd probably be looking at a playoff place. You've got a couple of really good teams in this league, and I think for most of the part-time teams I'd say playoff places are up for grabs.
Yeah. What are your guys' personal goals for this season?
For me, just to play well in that. Obviously I was at Stennisville last season and it didn't turn out to be a good season for us. I took a bad injury after our replay, our first leg against Aberdeen, and it was a bit gutting for me. But for me personally, it's just try to play well and get as much points on the board. Obviously we've been playing well now and stuff like that, but for me, when it comes to the second half of the season, you'll find there's injuries, suspensions, players might come out on loan in January and stuff like that, and then that's when a lot of players, I would expect, saying I'd rather pick up the points and performances, which I think is the main thing. So for me, it's just I just want to be playing well, make sure I'm staying in the team, and obviously I can help the team as much as I can. But hopefully we can achieve something this season because we have got a young team.
Yeah.
We have got experienced players. Carsey, Hutch, McGeever, me, John McMillan, Connor, Steph. So we've got players, we've got a good spine, and if we can keep everybody fit, then I don't see why we can't maybe cause an upset to some other teams in this league.
Definitely.
Just for me personally, I've had a kind of stop-start past couple of years with injury, so for me it's just try to play as many games as I can and help the team as much as possible.
What are your guys' thoughts on the opponents today, Clyde?
Obviously it'll be a hard game. They've come up, they've done well last season. You can obviously see they've got good players, and they've managed to probably hold a good squad together for the last 2-3 years. And obviously Danny Lane's done a brilliant job since he's went there. They're dishing out 2-3 year deals to players at part-time level, which is unheard of.
Yeah.
So they've obviously got a good backing there as well. So it will be a hard game, but we believe in ourselves. We look at ourselves before we look at them, and we know we've got good players. We've got young boys who are just their first year playing full-time, not full-time, part-time senior level, like Birico. PG's played a handful because he's been out in loan, but we'll only get better, and hopefully we can help them. But I think it will be a hard game, but if we do the basics right, and that gives us a platform, and we will create chances, because you can see we do look as if we're creating a lot of chances every week. So hopefully we can keep the door shut at the back, and then hopefully the attackers do their side.
On Clyde, they've probably got a good spirit obviously coming up through promotion. Sometimes that can carry you through. It doesn't matter what kind of ability you've got. If you've got a team that work hard for each other and get a good team spirit, and that can kick you on. But even with Clyde, they've obviously got good quality because they've started the season pretty well, so it'll be a tough game, but I'm sure we're more than a match for them.
Who's the dressing room DJ?
Well, Isaac, when he comes in early, but then Matty, he is rubbish. Matty in it.
Matty. Rico stepped back.
Rico's come in as well, so we let the younger ones probably deal with it because they're up to they know what they're wanting to play and stuff like that. So a few debatable ones get played, but if it makes them happy, then
I think Matty's decent. Matty's the best.
He's just got a mix of everything.
Yeah.
He knows when to put the tune on, like just before you're ready to go out, so you know you're upbeat about it. So Matty's probably the best one.
Who is the best player you guys have played against this season?
Start the League Cup. Dobie. He's probably the one that...
I played against Dobie last year in the Scottish, the League Cup with Stenny, and he didn't start that game, but he came on, and within 15 minutes, 3-0. And we were 0-0 to about 70 minutes. We were doing well, and then he came on. He gave him time on the ball for 25-30 yards. It just shows you he's had a tremendous career. People should be saying, most people will say he should be playing higher still, even at the age of him, which I think he should, but he's obviously got a love for Queen of the South, and maybe money's no a problem to him, well, it shouldn't be. But I would probably say him this season, because obviously he played against him again in the Betfred, and he's a hard player to play against.
So, if he's had to sign one player from the Dumbarton, who would it be and why?
Sign one player?
Yeah.
For Dumbarton?
Yeah.
Anybody?
Yeah.
You got to go for Messi, didn't you?
I'm actually a Ronaldo man, so I'll say him. Aye.
Two types of people in this world.
We could be here all day, so I'm not even like that, but I'm Ronaldo and Messi. So.
Okay, we're just going to finish it off with finish the sentence, so I'll just start the sentence off and you guys can finish one. So, Jim Duffy is...
The manager? What? Is that what it was to say?
Describe him.
Very loud at the side.
Aye, I'll go for that. Maybe be careful with the saying.
The best player at Dumbarton is?
I'd say Joe McGee, probably.
Technically,
Technically Joe McGee, aye.
Technically, maybe Joe McGee. Oh, when Steph's on his game, I think he can be on player. I think we had glimpses of that in the start of the season with Steph, and people judge him because he was at the juniors and that, but he's actually won this league and stuff like that, more than what most players have done in their whole career. So maybe they two. I've been harsh on Carsey and that, they've played at a high level, but I've known Carsey for years, so you'll know I say he's a good player anyway, so I'm not even mentioning him.
The best thing about playing with Dumbarton is?
Obviously either of us, we've not really been here that long.
We've not been here that long.
We've got a good dressing room, don't we?
I feel we've got a good dressing room, and I felt obviously it was different coming into this team when there was hardly any players that have stayed, even though I knew a lot of them. I knew wee Dom, especially because I played with him at Motherwell, but only heard good things about Dumbarton, and any time I've played against Dumbarton in the past, I always enjoyed coming here. I do believe it makes a difference playing on grass, and that was one of my decisions in coming to play, because I wanted to just make sure I was playing. I would never go anywhere if I wasn't going to play, kind of. But for me it was just, that's the first time I've worked under a manager who was a defender. I've never worked under a match, so I just felt maybe it was the right time to do something like that and have a change. So for me, I only heard good things about Dumbarton with people I knew, so for me it was a no-brainer when I had the opportunity, and I got it signed and stuff like that quite quick for me. So there was a few things just in general with Dumbarton that attracted me. So
the best player in the world is?
I don't know.
Messi.
The best team in Scotland are?
I don't support either of them, so I'll say none.
What if you say like?
Well, Celtic they're now, isn't it? But I don't support any, so I'm not really going to go with either.
Right, that's it. Cheers, lads.
Right, mate. Yes, sir.
But I think we deserve to. I don't think we deserve to win. I don't think we're anywhere near the levels that we can play at. And overall, I thought we were fortunate to win 1-0 at half time. When we tried to say to the players, we have to be a lot better in the second half because it was almost as if we were waiting and Clyde to score. And Clyde were very good. Give credit to Danny's team. They passed the ball well and seemed to enjoy the surface. It's just terrific. But our players seem to be, I don't know, just very tense today for some reason. There was no sharpness, no spark from us today. And although we created 2 or 3 very good chances, most of them were on the breakaway. And at home we should be controlling the game better. So overall, I'm very disappointed. Not just with the result, we can never play the result. The performance I thought was way below the standards we expected. I know the players are capable. That's what we said when they come in today. And, there was a good group of players. And, we should be positive. We had a good result last week against Fight. Training looked sharp, but today there was something missing, and it wasn't just missing from 1 or 2 players. There was only maybe 3 or 4 players anywhere near the level. Obviously, losing Ryan was a big problem for us with a hamstring, because obviously him and Morgyn were dominating the box, and when he went off, that gave us a problem. I had to take Cars out of midfield and then shift 1 or 2 players around. So that wasn't ideal, and obviously the 2 goals come from set pieces. So when you lose your kind of dominant centre back, that is an issue. So I certainly think that impact is getting something from the game. But as I said, in general performance, I thought we were poor today. I don't think we can argue that the Clyde were the better side.
There's a couple of after the Clyde went down as well.
Yeah, well obviously Kyle Hutton missed the game today. PJ's been off, he's got kind of studs in his ankle. Ryan's got a hamstring, and Carzy went down his kind of shoulder, and he had that problem during the week. And I think that just aggravated it. So he didn't have a lot of freedom in his movement, but he's a very committed player. He wanted to stay on. So I said, the problem with the attitude of the players in terms of the fighting spirit, but just in terms of the general performance today, we didn't pass the ball well enough. We didn't close Clyde down enough. We allowed him to dictate the play. And as I said, so from a footballing sense, if you want to call it that, from the technical side, I think we were poor today, and we need to improve, we need to perform a little bit, and we're capable, and we have the players that can do that. But today was an off day, there's no doubt about that. And as I said, Clyde took full advantage of it and deserved the shoot.
Did you feel Kyle Hutton had any effect on?
No, I don't think so. I mean, Kyle's a good player, and he's normally one of the first names in the team sheet, but you can never tell, obviously, but he wasn't fit to play, so at the end of the day that's what happened, So as I said, I think more Ryan getting off during the game, because you don't have a natural replacement in there. As I said, when the ball comes into your box, we have to defend it better, and one shot, if you want to call it that, in terms of, and they brought on the boy who was 6'3", so just at the same time, so we actually, it made it even more difficult for us. But listen, take that. Taking everything into consideration, Clyde played better. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to Danny's team, because they played better. But with 2 great chances in the last 5 minutes, and Isaac Pease had 2 unbelievable chances, especially Isaac was 2 or 3 yards out, and he just gets stuck under his feet. so we probably could have got something from the game. So in terms, as I say, to the fighting spirit of the players, and, that attitude of not giving up, I've got no complaints about it, but we were way off the standards I think that we can show today. And if you do that against a good side, then there'll be a chance you're going to lose it.
One positive was PJ's goal, took it very well for getting high chances.
Yeah, I mean, he scored a good goal, as I said, and then, with a great run in the first half, it was a great run, and keepers got a good save. And I said, we created, 3 or 4 good chances. But as I said, they were mostly kind of sporadic breakaways, almost like an away game. And I say that's because we didn't control the game. We didn't, just calm ourselves and control the game. We were always seemed to be chasing the opponent rather than them chasing us. And as I said, that's to Clyde, but we have got better players than we should.
The game next week is like
So to be honest, our away form's been good. So I don't know, our away form's been good. So maybe it's one of those ones where we're more tricky sometimes to the team, the opposition coming towards us and exploiting some spaces. I'm not sure, but what I want from us next week is to play better. Like I said before, you can't guarantee, winning football matches, but I think we can play a lot better. So the first thing I want to do is play to the levels I know that we can, and then see whether that's good enough to win the game.
Thanks very much, Jeff. Thank you.